So one of the big things I've been asked this year many times is, hey, what do you think? We'd like to buy a second home up in the Carolinas, or we're thinking of downsizing, or we're having another baby and we're bursting at the seams, etc. But then people are also wondering how maybe they can keep the house they have, because generally their interest rates right now, if they bought in the last 8 to 10 years, is somewhere between 2.5% and 4%. That's really hard to give up. You know what I mean? Because interest rates now are much higher. So what I'm trying to tell most of my clients and give them the best advice I can, if you're trying to build a portfolio and trying to accumulate wealth through real estate, the best thing to do, because chances are you've got a ton of equity in that house, is take 100 or 200,000 out of your home. Let's say it's worth 500,000 and you owe 100. Let's take 200 out of it and then take that money and buy your second home, or go up to the Carolinas, or buy